Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Question number 5. Express each of the following in the form ax plus b whole square plus c. So now it's mean we have to use here the completing square method to make a perfect square, complete square. The part A is 9x squared minus 6x minus 3. So now when you have a value, so first of all, you can see here a is not common. We will not factor out. A is with the x. So in this situation, we will make the perfect square of a, as we know that the 9 is the square of 3. So it would be the 3x 3 square x square. Now both have the square, so we will write the whole square. Then 6x we will keep same minus 3. Now we will apply the completing square formula. So when you have ax in parenthesis in a square, so the formula for the completing square, which would be equals to ax plus b by 2a whole square minus b over 2a whole square. Now what is a? Is the coefficient of x. So let's substitute in the formula here. The first one, ax, here we have the 3x. So we will write the 3x plus b by 2. So what is b? B is the coefficient of x. B by 2a. So b over 2a is equals to minus 6 over 2 times 3 also would be equal 6. So 6 over 6, which would be equals to minus 1. It means the b over 2a is minus 1 and whole square. After that, minus b over 2a, so it would be the minus 1 whole square and minus 3. The first one, the 3x we will keep same, and plus minus makes minus. Minus 1 whole square. We got our required form ax plus b whole square. Now we need to solve the constant value, means the c value. So here minus 1 square would be plus 1. Then plus minus minus and minus 3. At the end, it would be the 3x minus 1 whole square. Then minus 1 minus 3 would be equals to minus 4, which is our required form. Now we got the value of a as 3, value of b minus 1, and value of c minus 4. The part b is 4x squared plus 20x plus 30. So we need to convert in this form ax plus b whole square plus c. So for this, first we need to make ax complete square. So what is a? A is 4. 4 we know that is the square of 2. So instead of the 4, we will place here the 2 square x square, then plus 20x plus 30. As we know that the 2 square and x square means this is a square x square, and a square x square would be equals to ax whole square. When you have like the square of the two values are three values, but the sign between the values are between variables, between coefficients, is multiplication. There is no sign, it means it's multiply. So we can write in this form the complete square. We can write together within the parenthesis. So now the second thing is we will apply the completing square formula here, which is ax plus b over 2a whole square minus b over 2a whole square. So what is the b over 2a? b as the coefficient of x, which is 20 here. So b over 2a would be equals to 20 divided by 2 times 2. What is a? A is also 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. It means it would be equals to 5. So let's substitute the values here. First we will write in a proper form. So it would be the 2x whole square plus 20x plus 30. Now here we will write it as the form of the completing square. So ax will remain same, means the 2x will remain same. Then b over 2, a we will substitute the value, which is 5 whole square. Then again minus 5 whole square plus 30. So now the first value we will keep same, 2x plus 5 whole square, then minus 5 square, which is 25, and plus 30. So now the first one we got a completing square, we will write the same, 2x plus 5 whole square. Now minus 25 plus 30 would be equals to plus 5. Minus plus makes minus. Now we got our required form, which was there, ax plus b whole square plus c. So a value is 2, b is 5, and c is also 5.